Hi friends, welcome to the Ratan IT. Guys, my name is Ratan. So we are discussing HTML tutorial, right? Yeah. Guys, last class we discussed about the paragraph and text formatting, right? Paragraph and text formatting. Guys, in this video we'll talk about this very small point, HTML comments. How to write the comments in HTML. How to write the comments in what? HTML, right? So comments in HTML, guys. So what is the purpose of the comments? Maybe you know C language, Java language, any language. Comments is like to write the description about the code, guys. Comments are just used to write the whatever the code you written for that code. We have to write some description, guys. See, today you are writing the code, but tomorrow that code is maintained by some other person, right? When the project is development is completed, the project goes to the maintenance. In the maintenance, your code is maintained by yourself, or your code is maintained by some other person. Definitely your code is maintained by some other person, right? In that case, if you write the proper comments about your code so that other people can understand easily, right? Yes, yes, sir. With the comments is good, or without comments is good. So definitely with the comments is good, right? Because use it to write the description about the, tell me guys, description about the code. Got the point, right? Because today we are developing, and after some time the code is maintained by some other people, so that if you write the proper comments about the description, description about the code, so the other people can understand easily, right? Exactly. And moreover, so we have some code, guys. I don't want to delete the code. Instead of deleting the code, guys, instead of what? Instead of deleting the code, just you can comment as of now. Because as of now you don't want that code. As of now you don't want that code means instead of deleting that code, just you can comment the code, right? Which means good, guys. Deleting the code is good, or just commenting the code is good. Definitely just what? Commenting the code is good, right? Exactly. So next point is comments means what? Description about the code so that other people can understand easily. Guys, is the description is executable code? Yes, comments are executable code or non-executable code? Comments are non-executable code, guys. Browser will ignore these comments actually. Comments are non-executable. Tell me here, non-executable code ignored by browser, right? Ignored by browser. Because HTML code is executed by browser, right? That's what, guys. Comments are non-executable code ignored by what? Browser, right? Exactly. So what is the syntax of the comments? Guys, comments are starts with exclamatory symbol. Comments are starts with so we have the angular brackets, exclamatory hyphen hyphen. This is a comment starts with that. Guys, comments ends with like tell me guys, ends with the hyphen hyphen close. Guys, comment starts with exclamatory hyphen hyphen. Comments are ends with what? Hyphen hyphen close, right? Exactly. So maybe in Java or C language we have single line comments and multi line comments, right? Yeah, but in the HTML you don't have the single line comments and multi line comments, guys. If you want a single line, just you can write the exclamatory hyphen hyphen, write the statement, single statement here, just hyphen hyphen close. Okay, like you can write the code like this. Otherwise, if you want multiple statements, just you can write exclamatory hyphen hyphen. You can write one statement, a multiple statement. You can write the multiple statement, right? We can write the statement 1, and we can write the statement 2, and we can close the data, right? Hyphen hyphen close, like this, guys. You got the point? So comments are used to write the description about the code, guys. So description about the code so that easily can other people can understand your code. Instead of deleting this code, just you can comment the code. In the future, if you want that code, just you can uncomment the code, right? Comment and uncomment. Comments are executable code or non-executable code means definitely comments are non-executable code ignored by browser. Comments are starts with what, guys? Exclamatory hyphen hyphen. Comments are ends with what? Arrow, right? Exactly. Guys, if you want single line comment, you can make the one statement. If you want multiple lines means make it as multiple statements, right? Exactly. Guys, we know the structure of the HTML file. I told you that. So the data which you are writing inside the HTML tag, this is called web page, right? Yeah, this is called what? The text written between the HTML opening and HTML closing, this is called what? Web page. The web page contains how many parts total? 2 parts. One is the header part is there. Okay, this is called what? Header part. Guys, header part is data visible in the page, just like metadata information. This is like, so metadata information, right? Exactly. And second tag is what, guys? Body tag. The text between the body, that data visible in the web page, right? Guys, this is what visible in the, what we can say, guys, here, web page. And what about comments, sir? We can write the comments in header part, and we can write the comments in the body part also. Because if you want, you can write the comments in header part saying that, this is the link for the CSS file, this is the link for the bootstrap file, this is the link for the JavaScript file, like that. And even you can write the comments at body section also, right? Exactly. So what is the point, guys, here? It is possible to write the tell me, it is possible to write the comments at what, comments at header level, and we can write the body level also, right? Exactly. Maybe some people are thinking that header we cannot write the comments, guys, but we can write the comments at header level, and we can write the comments at what, body level also. Guys, are clear? So good. See, guys, here it's showing like green color, right? Because this is a comment. Generally in edit plus, the comments are in which color, guys? Green color or not? Yeah, guys, can you please write one small example form? So go for the file menu. Tell me, this is edit plus, we know already. Go for the new. I want to go for the HTML, CSS, Java, no, HTML page, right? Click on the HTML page. Guys, let me delete this all the data. Let me write the pointer. Right, the first root tag is what? HTML opening and what? HTML closing. Remember that this is called what? Web page. Under this web page, you can write the head tag. Guys, head opening and what? Head closing. When we write the head opening, head closing, this is the metadata information. Metadata information means this is, let me write the title, title, title. So you got the point, right? So this is HTML comments. Then you can write the title tag, right? Yeah, guys, here if you want, you can write the, what we can write, tell me. Here we can write the comments, exclamatory hyphen. This is head part comments. Guys, this is head part what? Comments, right? Then you can write the hyphen close. See, guys, previously I didn't use this one. This is the comment starting, right? These all are showing the green color. It's saying these all are the what you can say, comments, right? Yeah, that's what, guys. Just you can make the close the data. Just you can close it. Guys, now it is clear, yeah. Okay, this is header tag. Second one is what tag, guys, here? Body tag. We know that body tag means what? The data which is written inside the body tag, that is visible in the web page, right? That is visible in what? Web page. Because previously we talked about the first video, h1 tag, right? The h1 tag. Yeah. So welcome to Ratan sir classes. Guys, please inform to your friends about our classes, and please everyone like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more video. Guys, I am doing this much hard work for you guys. Just you guys click on the comment, click on the like, comment, and subscribe, and just to share this information to your friends also, so that they will also do subscribe, like, and what, comment, right? Yeah, H1 is closing, guys. Welcome to Ratan sir classes. Welcome to what the message, guys? Ratan sir classes. This is header part, guys. Previous class we discussed paragraph, right? The paragraph opening. Hi students, how are you? Hi students, how are you? Like the video, okay, comment the video, and subscribe to our channel. Tell me, guys, our channel to get the more videos like this, guys. Just you can close the paragraph tag, right? That's it, guys. In the body tag also I can write the comment. Okay, this is our information, right? How to get the comments, tell me, guys? How to write the comments? Tell me, guys. Here I want to write the comments. How to write the comments, tell me? Exclamatory hyphen, right? This is student info. This is what? Student information, right? Let me write it like that. How to close, guys? Hyphen close. That's all. Okay, this is the comment I written inside the header part. This is the comment I written inside the body tag, right? Guys, wherever you need the comment, just you can write the comment, guys. It's not a problem. Guys, Control S. In local disk D, let me save the data.html file. Time I'm saving data.html file, right? Fine. Guys, open that local disk D. In the local disk D, the file is what? Data.html file, right? Go last. This is my data.html. Guys, right click, open with what? Google Chrome. Open with Google Chrome, see the code, guys. This is welcome to Ratan sir classes. Hi students, how are you? Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Guys, see this title tag here, HTML comments, right? Guys, this is what? HTML comments or not? I think which one we are not closed. That's what this is also coming, like, heading part, right? That's what H1 close. Now you can save it. After saving, come here and refresh. See guys, previously H1 is not closed now. That's what everything is coming like bold. Guys, now here welcome to Ratan sir classes. Hi students, how are you? Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Guys, clear? So comments means what? Comments are to write a description about the logic so that where the project goes to maintenance, other people can understand. Just instead of deleting the code, just you can make the comment. Comments are non-executable code. These are ignored by browsers. Starts with exclamatory hyphen, close with what? Hyphen, close, right? Yeah, so if you want single line, you can write a single statement. If you want multiple lines, you can write the multiple statements, right? That's up to you. And we can write the comments in header part and what? Body part, right? Yeah, so it is possible to write the comments in header part and what? Body part. Guys, all of you please write the notes clearly. Write the notes. And like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, guys. Clear, right? Everything is going good now. Please comment, guys. Please, if you comment, you're giving the boosting. Boost Horlicks so that we'll go for the more videos, right? Yeah. Bye guys. Yeah, next